This is an assembly video for the 12-volt Ford Ranger. First, cut the plastic strap. Then cut open the box with a box cutter. Here's what's inside. 2 wheels. Remove this piece of cardboard. Now I'll take out the ride-on. I'll flip over this box and use it to assemble the ride-on. Next, remove the plastic bag. Inside the ride-on you'll find a steering wheel, a battery charger, a parental parents remote control, the car seats, another 2 wheels, a back panel with 4 lights on it, a bag with 2 hubcaps in it, another bag of 2 hubcaps, and now I'll turn the ride-on upside down. First, add a washer on each one of the axles. Then get a front wheel and insert a rubber plug. Insert another rubber plug on the other side. Then add a washer and insert the pin through the hole of the axle. Then separate the pin legs so the pin will stay in place. Then add the hubcap. Screw the hubcap in place with 3 screws. Now add the wheel on the opposite side with the same method. The back wheel has a different design. It can lock into the back motor. And now I'll flip the ride on over. Next we'll install the steering wheel. First connect the steering wheel wire to the wire coming out of the dashboard. Then undo the screw that's inside the steering wheel. Then install the steering wheel onto the steering rod. Next, reinsert the screw in through the steering wheel and through the steering rod. Now use the nut to tighten the screw and secure the steering wheel in place. Next, add the windshield. Use 4 screws to screw the windshield in place. Next, we install the bonnet. The bonnet is installed by inserting it into 2 keyholes and closing it. Next, I'll install the side mirrors. the side mirrors easily click into place. Next attach the panel with the lights on it. Next attach the 4 lights. Feed the wire through the hole in the side. Now place the 4 lights on the back of the ride-on. And push them into place. Make sure that you insert the wire from the 4 lights in through the body so that it can reach the battery. Then connect it to the matching cable. There is another 2 cables that need to be connected, so connect those ones as well. Next, start the ride-on and see if it's working properly.
Music mode.
Now insert the seat into the sockets in the back. And screw the seat in place. Now the ride-on is complete. Thank you for watching.